Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are discussing your third lesson multiple sign factors. In previous videos you learned the application of HCF. In today's class we are going to learn the relation between HCF and LCM. Dear students, here if you know this formula then only you are going to solve this today's examples. So here the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. So let us take one example here. See here they will give in example HCF, LCF and the product of two numbers means I will take it as a casual, okay, A into B. A into B means that is any number, okay, it may 3, it may 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In general I am taking it as a into B. So here HCF is equal to LCM, HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. A into B means they are the product of any two numbers. Here dear students, they will give HCF and LCM and they will give one number and you have to find this number. Sometimes they will give LCM and they will give first number, second number and you have to find HCF. See here we have to do some modification. Then if you know this only one formula we can make here four formulas. So let us solve one example here. See here, I will solve an example from your my practice time 7 and that is first one. The product of two numbers. The product of two numbers is, first one is the product of two numbers. The product of two numbers. Two numbers. The product of two numbers and that is 300. The product of two number is 300 and the HCF is and that is 5. Then find LCM. Okay, the same the question is there like this. I am solving this from my practice time. My practice time and that is 7. My practice time 7, page number 122. Directly I am solving the examples. See here already know the relation between HCF and LCF. HCF into LCM is equal to the product of two numbers. Here they given the product of two numbers 300. They given HCF and you have to find the LCM. Okay. So how to do this? See here LCM is equal to the product of two numbers as it is you write here. The product of two numbers. The product of two numbers divided by two numbers divided by this multiplication will go that side means that is HCF. Okay, so if you know this formula you can solve these examples easily. So here I need to find LCM. So LCM is equal to product of two numbers divided by HCF. So what is the product of two numbers here? 300. Here already given. Okay, 300. And what is the HCF here? 5. So now you cut the numbers. If you don't know how to cut the numbers, then you can divide the numbers also. So here 5 ones are 5 6 are 30. Okay, and this 0 you as it is write. Then 60. The LCM of the number is 60. Okay, you multiply just this 60 into 50 is 300. Okay, how you come to know whether it is correct or wrong? See here, LCM into HCF is equal to the product of two numbers. Multiply here 60 into 5, how much will come here? 300. Therefore, my answer is correct. So here the LCM is 60. If you know this formula, you can solve the examples easily. If you have a confusion here, 300 divided by 5, you divide the number and you will get 60 as a answer. Dear students, you have to cut here directly. If you have a confusion, then you have to follow this. Okay. So next, I will take one more example. Here, the product of two numbers is 150. How much is there here? The product of two numbers is 150. Okay. Next here, HCF is 5. Again here HCF is 5. Find the LCM of the number. Okay. Here again you have to follow the same procedure. The formula is LCM is equal to the product of two numbers divided by HCF. Okay. So here what is the product of two numbers here? 150 divided by 5. Okay. So the product of two number is 150 and the HCF is 5. Cut this number. 5 1s are 5 3s are 15 and here you write 0. So answer is 30. The LCM of the number is 30. I hope you are getting my point. Let us take one more example. Here see, the product of two number is 192. The product of two number is 192. Okay, and the HCF is, the product of two number is 192 and the HCF is 4. Again you have to follow here same procedure and same formula you have to apply. What is their here formula? And that is 192 divided by 4. Okay, if you have a here confusion, ma'am I don't know how to cut this number, then here you write 192 divided by 4. Okay, you can cut directly also. 4 1s are 4 4s are 16. Okay, 4 5s are 16, 4 6s are 4 5s are 20, 4 4s are 16. Okay, 4 4s are 16 and here 3 remain, 4 8s are 32. So the LCM of the number is 48. How I wrote there 48? Just see this example. 4 4s are 16. Okay, 9 minus 6 is 3, 1 minus 1 is 0. Again you take this 2 down, 4 8s are 32. 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. That this 48 I wrote here. Okay, so the LCM of the number is 48. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. Dear students, in my practice time 7, find the LCM if the product of two numbers they given and they given HCF, you have to find the LCM of the number. Next here, find the HCF if here the same procedure you have to follow, but they given here the product of two number is and they given LCM and you have to find HCF. Okay, that is also very easy examples are there. Again we have here some more story examples. Okay, here we have a story examples. Okay. Yes, dear students, let us solve some more examples on this. So take here, HCF. Here again the same question, but here they will give LCM and you have to find the HCF of the number. So here already you know the question, the product of two numbers. Here second mean find the HCF, the product of two number is 375 and they given LCM of the number. What is the LCM of the number here? See here the LCM of the number is 75 and you have to find the HCF of the number. Dear students, if you know this formula, then you can write the formula of this also. See here they told to find the HCF. So write here HCF is equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. The product of two numbers divided by. See here this LCF will go that side, means that becomes LCM. This will go that side, means this is LCM. Dear students, if multiplication is there, it will come to right side, means this becomes division. If division is there, that will comes to right side, means that becomes multiplication. So the small simplification you must know. Here the product of two numbers is 375 and the LCM is 75. Okay, cut this number and you will get the answer. See here, so 75 and 375 are there in 5 ones are table. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5, 2 remain, 5 5s are. Next here 5 7s are 35, 2 remain, 5 5s are. Okay, so 75 divided by 15 is there, 75 divided by 15. Next here 15 1s are and 15 5s are 75. Therefore the HCF of the number is 5. I hope you are getting my point. If you know this formula, then you can write the formula to find the LCM of the number, to find the HCF of the number. Okay, let us take one more example. Here I will write the same. Here HCF is equal to, the formula is same for all the examples. So I will take here next question. The product of two numbers. The product of two number is 240. The product of two number is 240 and the LCM is 60. Dear students, you have to follow the same procedure for all the examples, but here digits are different. So the product of two numbers is 240. Yes, that is 240 divided by 60. See here, in case the zeros are there at the end, you cut this 0 cancel. 6 1s are, 6 4s are 24. So write here 4. The HCF of the number is 4. I hope you are getting my point. Dear students, see here, with this I will complete this lesson, the relationship between HCF and LCM, and here you have a formula HCF into LCM. The product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of two number. Sometimes they will give HCF, you have to find LCM. In some cases they will give LCM, you have to find HCF of the number. If you know this formula, then you can find the answer. Next here few more story examples are there. Here the HCF and the LCM of two number are 2 and 234 respectively. If the first number is 26, find the second number. So let us see how to solve that example. Okay, so here they given LCM, HCF, and they given one number. Yes, here what they given? HCF is 2. In that question HCF is 2. LCM is equal to how much it is? LCM is 234. Okay, and the the first number is 26 and find the other number. Okay, so they given like this. Already you know the formula HCF into LCM is equal to A into B. Here A and to B means they are the product of two numbers. I took in general that product as A and B. Here HCF given, LCM given, A given, and you have to find the B. Here A means first number, B means second number. So here you do simple calculation. B is equal to, see here you keep the B as it is, you write here HCF into LCM. Okay, this will come this side means divided by A. Okay, so here this type, if you are writing like this is also correct. If you are writing B is equal to HCF into LCM divided by A. Here A means the first number. Okay, HCF is equal to how much is there? 2. LCM is 234 and the first number is 26. Okay, so let us cut this number. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Next divide this 39, 234 divided by 13. 13 1s are 13, 3 minus 3 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, see here 13 2s are 26, 3 minus 3 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, and you take this 4 down. Then just see here 13 8s are 24 and 8 1s are 8 plus 2 is 10 means 13 8s are 104. 0 0 0. Then you have to cut here 13 1s are 13 18s are. If you are not getting how to cut the numbers directly, then you can follow this method. Dear students, for this you need to know tables as well. Okay, so here multiply 1 18s are 18. Therefore the second number is 18. How you know whether our answer is correct or wrong? You multiply 234 into 2, you will get the same answer. 26 into 18, you will get the same answer. So LHS is equal to RHS is there, means my answer is correct. I hope you are getting my point. So this is all about today's class. Here I will complete the multiples and factors lesson, and in next class I will discuss about fractions. Very important lesson. So I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.